Welcome to Shift Calendar RUIX. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use RuixLabs Voice to review your monthly summary. First, open Shift Calendar RUIX and go to the Settings page. On the Settings page, you can find different summary options, including your monthly summary, leave summary, overtime summary, earnings summary, and expense summary. Tap your monthly summary to open your monthly review. This page gives you a clear overview of your selected month. You can quickly check your leave taken, overtime hours, total earnings, total expenses, and estimated balance. In this example, the monthly summary shows the records for June 2026. The app helps you organize your work information in one simple place, so you do not need to calculate everything manually. Now, scroll down to the RuixLabs Voice section. RuixLabs Voice is designed to help you listen to your monthly summary instead of reading every number one by one. Tap the Listen button, and RuixLabs
June
Voice will read your
2020.
monthly summary clearly. This is useful when you are busy, tired, or reviewing your work records at the end of the month. With RuixLabs Voice, you can quickly understand your monthly work situation, including leave, overtime, earnings, expenses, and estimated balance. You can also read the written summary on the screen while listening to the voice. This gives you both voice review and text review in one place. After listening, you can return to the calendar page and continue checking your daily schedule and records. Shift Calendar RUIX helps shift workers, part-time workers, freelancers, and everyday users manage work schedules, daily records, leave, overtime, earnings, expenses, and monthly summaries. RuixLabs Voice makes the monthly review faster, easier, and more convenient.